Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a company I don't really talk about a lot on this channel, even though it's my biggest position in my portfolio by far, and that's Tesla. I don't usually talk about Tesla because there are lots of other channels that are doing a very good job on this. But I decided, since there's lots of FUD out there, since Tesla stock has been underperforming the market for quite a while, we've got some interesting numbers that came out as of today. So I thought, hey, maybe it's time for me to do a Tesla video, because maybe some of you want to hear my opinion on the matter instead of the usual ultra bulls like Solving the Money Problem, Dave Lee, Chicken, Rob Maurer from Tesla Daily. Obviously, those are great channels. I'll follow all of them. But let's get into this video. Let's talk about the numbers that came out right now. So we've got numbers out of China. Tesla sold 33,155 China-made vehicles in June, which I believe is their second best month out there. The CPCA also said China sold 1.6 million passenger cars in June, down 5.3% from a year earlier. So basically Tesla is selling more cars out of China, even though the overall number in that month is down 5.3%. Now, like I said, the previous best month for Tesla was back in March at the end of the first quarter. They had 35,478 domestic sales. These numbers were taken from Tesla Daily's video, so credit to him. And obviously the numbers for this month were including those that were exported. Now, obviously these were great numbers because I think there were some fears out there that China wasn't doing very well, that Tesla wasn't doing very well in China. Actually, people were expecting them to have maybe less than 30,000 sales in June, but obviously they've done much better. We've also had beginning of June some great numbers, some deliveries and production numbers. We had 206,421 for production and 201,250 for deliveries, which again is great to see. Tesla is growing each and every quarter, each and every year. And should I remind you, Tesla only, and I'm saying only, has 4 models, the X, Y, 3, and S. Next year, hopefully, we'll add another 2, the Tesla Semi and the Tesla Cybertruck. I fully expect the Cybertruck to sell at least 1 million cars in the next couple of years. I'd say by 2024, I expect Tesla to maybe deliver 1 million Cybertrucks. I know there were some rumors out there that there are more than 1 million orders, but again, orders can be cancelled because I believe the deposit was just $100. So let's say even if next year 50% of the people cancel their orders, that's still 500,000 Cybertrucks. That's more than everything Tesla did in 2020. Now, before I continue into this video, I just want to thank today's sponsor, The Motley Fool. And again, these are my views and my views only. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me find the latest growth stock and innovative company. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services, the Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool's stock advisor service, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock advisors' average stock picks have returned over 500%. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more this year, you can visit www.fool.com/couchinvestor or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if Stock Advisor is right for you. Now, all of that is great, but why is Tesla stock underperforming the market? Well, because of FUD out there, fake news, lots of people trying to play the media narrative. So we had a couple of cases. One, which is very sad. Actually, I'm not going to be here and say, oh, it's their fault, somebody died, it's not Tesla, blah, blah, blah. It's a sad story, but let's not get it twisted. So we have this story right here about the California company that lost their 50-year-old boy, which is, again, horrible, after a Tesla hit its pickup truck. They are claiming the autopilot system was partially responsible, but obviously Tesla is saying that autopilot actually makes the car safer. You can watch the video if you want. I'm not going to show it in this video. But when you read something like this, it's very difficult to blame the other car. When you read that the child was in the front passenger seat and was not wearing his seatbelt, I don't really think there is a case to make here. Second news story that came out is about the Tesla Plate Model S that caught fire. So we had this right here, brand new Tesla Model S Plate spontaneously burst into flames while its owner was driving it. Sounds a bit weird to me, but let's see what the article says. So apparently this person was driving the brand new Model S Plate on Saturday and suddenly noticed smoke, then fire coming from the car. The lawyer says that the client struggled to unlock the door but eventually extricated himself from the sedan. The Model S Plate continued rolling down the street for around 25 to 30 yards before becoming totally engulfed in flames. Now it's still under investigation what actually happened there because this is a brand new car. Now we have some data actually from 2020 where Tesla says that there has been approximately one Tesla vehicle fire for every 205 million miles traveled. So again, I don't think this is something you will see each and every day, but it is maybe weird that a brand new Plate S caught fire on the same day of delivery. I don't know, maybe something happened to the car, maybe he did something to the car, I don't know, we'll have to wait until the investigation is over. Now FUD headline number 3 was this one. Tesla recalls 285,000 cars in China over cruise control problem. Obviously this headline was great way of selling this article, great way of getting clicks. But if you read the article, you can see clearly here that Chinese Tesla owners affected by the recall will receive a free software update which they can either have installed over the air or in person. So no, this was not a case of, oh, everybody has to send their Tesla back to the manufacturing plant and they won't have their cars for a couple of days. No, this can be done over the air, which is great for Tesla. Unlike a competitor out there, Porsche Taycan had the same problem, just they can't do this over the air. They actually had to bring their car in. Now with all of those headlines, with all of those negative news articles coming out for Tesla, people thinking that Teslas aren't safe anymore, blah, blah, blah. Let's actually look at the data. In the first quarter, we registered one accident for every 4.19 million miles driven in which drivers had autopilot engaged. For those driving without autopilot, but with our active safety features, we registered one accident for every 2.05 million miles driven. For those driving without autopilot and without our active safety features, we registered one accident for every 978,000 miles driven. By comparison, NHTSA's most recent data shows that in the United States, there is an automobile crash every 484,000 miles. What does this show us? It shows us that Teslas are by far the safest car out there. You can sell your headlines, you can clickbait people, but at the end of the day, in the long term, data will always prove what is correct. Alright, so to conclude this special video on Tesla, obviously I'm pretty bullish on Tesla's future. I didn't even touch on the energy part of the business because like Elon said, he actually thinks that the energy side of the business can be as big as the automotive side. So the future is pretty bright, but I'm still a bit skeptical on the energy side because we're still to see how this side is growing and how this side is being monetized. Hopefully we'll get more answers in the next coming quarter. But like I said at the start of this video, right now you just have 4 models, X, S, 3 and Y. Next year you can add semis and Cybertruck, hopefully to the family of Tesla cars. This will instantly boost their numbers. You'll have, hopefully, Berlin up and running as well, Texas as well. The future looks bright for Tesla. 2022 is really the year where things will start to speed up. There's no reason to panic as Tesla shareholders. I'm sure there's someone out there, I don't want to mention his name, that is probably showing us the numbers in Norway or whatever other country out there. But hey, if you've been a Tesla shareholders for years, you know how this game is played. The numbers don't lie and Tesla's numbers are exceptional and I expect that to grow each and every year, each and every quarter. Very, very excited to see what Q2 has in store for us and the rest of the year. Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are on Tesla. What do you think they will be achieving this year and next year? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like these videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you over in the next video. Bye bye.